Good morning, students. In the previous lecture, we have discussed question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 of the exercise 4.2. Okay, now these two questions are left. Now we are going to start these two questions. These question number 5th and 6th are based upon what problems? So question number 5th is, shot put throw is one of the events in the World Athletics Championships. The shot put ball is spherical in shape whose volume is 4913,000 cubic millimeters. If it is melted and converted into a cube, then what will be the length of the cube? Okay, a spherical ball is given to you. Volume of the spherical ball is given to you. They are saying that spherical ball is converted into a cube. Okay, it is melted and converted into a cube. So you have to find out the side of the cube. Length of the cube or side of the cube. Okay, so this is a spherical ball. Okay, so this ball is converted into a cube. Okay, so this is your ball. Okay, and this ball is converted into a cube. So you have to find out that what is the side of the cube. Okay, volume is given. Okay, the whole volume of this ball is given. Volume is given. So you have to find out the side of the cube. What is the side of the cube? Okay, so volume of spherical shot put ball is equal to 4913,000 millimeter cube. It is melted and converted into a cube. Okay, this ball is converted into a cube. So volume of cube will be, if this ball is spherical shape and this is converted into a cube, so obviously the volume of cube will be same. Okay, because now ball becomes a cube. Okay, so whatever the volume of ball is there, that volume is same as it is of a cube. Okay, the volume of ball and volume of cube is same now. Okay, so that's why I'm writing volume of cube is equal to whatever is given to you here. Okay, so volume of cube formula is side cube, that is equal to whatever is given you in the statement. Write down this as it is. Side cube, when we'll remove this whole cube, it is when it is going to the opposite side, it becomes cube root. Cube becomes cube root. Got it? When we'll open this bracket, this cube will go to the opposite side and it becomes a cube root. So cube root of 4913,000 millimeter cube is equal to 170 millimeter. Okay, when we'll open this cube root, 4913 is a cube of 17 and 000 is a cube of 0, means 1000 is a cube of 10. Okay, so answer is, and this millimeter cube also, this cube will cancel with the cube root, so it is equal to only millimeter. Okay, so side of this cube is equal to 170 millimeter. Got it? So this is your question number 5th. Okay, now we are going to start question number 6th. Question number 6th is, the volume of a cube is 74088 millimeter cube. Find the amount of cloth required to cover the cube completely. Volume of cube is given. From there they are saying that you have to find out the amount of cloth that is required to wrap that cube. Okay, whenever this kind of questions are there in the paper, that find out the amount of cloth is required to cover the cube, find out the amount of gift paper is used for wrapping that cube or that cuboid. So in that part you have to find out total surface area. Okay, when they're saying that find out the amount of cloth required to cover that shape, that particular shape, that shape may be sphere, that shape may be hemisphere, that shape may be cube, cuboid, anything. Okay, so in that case you have to find out the total surface area. Got it? So first of all, here is the question number 6. First of all, what is given to you? Volume of cube is given. Okay, so volume of cube is 74088 centimeter cube. Okay, write down the formula of volume of cube that we have written in the previous question also. So it is side cube. Side cube is equal to 74088 centimeter cube. When we'll remove this cube, it is going to the opposite side, it becomes cube root. Okay, so cube root of 74088 centimeter cube is 42. 74088 is the cube of 42, and centimeter cube and cube root will cancel, and it becomes centimeter only. So side of cube is 42 centimeter. Now they're saying that we have to find how much cloth is required to cover a cube. So it means we need to find the total surface area of cube. Just now I've told that if you have to find out how much cloth is required, how much paper is required, how much gift cover is required to wrap that shape, in that case you just have to find out how much is the total surface area. So total surface area of cube is 6 into side square. Okay, it is a formula of total surface area, that is equal to 6 into side square. So you write down 6 multiplied by side is, side you just have taken out, side is 42 centimeter. So put the side value of side here, 42 whole square. Okay, 6 multiplied 42 whole square means 42 multiply 42. It is equal to 1764. Multiply by 6 is equal to 10584 centimeter square. Okay, so this is the total surface area of cube. So it means cloth required to cover a cube is 10584 centimeter square. Got it? So in this way you have to do this question number 6. First of all, find out the volume of cube. Volume of cube is given. With that formula, find out the side of cube. Okay, and then find out total surface area of cube. Okay, with this formula. Okay, and then you can find out the answer. This is the how much cloth is required to cover that cube. Okay, now question number 5th and 6th is almost completed. So your homework is you have to do whatever parts I have given you of the previous question. First of all, solve in the practice notebook, whether I have given questions from the question number 1 or question number 2 or question number 3. Question number 4 we have done completely in the class. Question number 5th and 6th also we have done. Now the homework is do the parts of the homework first of all in the practice notebook and then go for the fair work. Okay, so please do all the questions very properly, and whatever doubts you are having in your mind we'll discuss in the doubt clearing class. Okay, or you can call or contact me anytime. Bye bye, take care.